Here I am with another slime review. I just have the one slime from this company. The company is called PgSnotSlime. I wanted more from them because their slimes looked really cool, but they were on the pricey side, and I'll have to look up this one online to see, you know, to tell you what it costs, because I don't have that in front of me right now. They did not include a packing slip to show, you know, what I paid. But they did provide some borax and 2 little candies and their care sheet. And this is a ramen slime, instant ramen. And they actually have it, they have their label, they have their store name, and they have the name of the slime written right there, and there's their website. And then they have the sticker here, so just take a look at this. Whoa. Alright, it's full to the top. That was a little hard to open because of how full it is. Look at all that stuff in there. And it has a ramen scent. It smells like the chicken ramen. Wow, it really, really does smell like chicken ramen. It's a thick, clear slime. Very nice to hold and play with. It really is. Wonder what these things are. Little rubber bands or something? Look at all the pieces in here, and the little peas, and I mean, this is just awesome looking. This is so fun. Alright, it does get sticky the longer I play with it, so it's making it hard to continue to squash it in my hands. But this is an amazing theme. I love the savory smell and just all the stuff that's in this slime make it a really cool. This is probably one of the most visually interesting slimes that I currently own. I like it. I am really happy with it, and you know, I think it's worth the price. Even though it was expensive, it's worth the price, and I feel like I'm probably gonna have to try some of their other slimes to see if they are as awesome as this one was. Alright, thank you for watching.